One of the communities asked me to do a deep dive into Nexa. So this one is relatively new cryptocurrency. It is low market cap. It is high risk. So we're not just going to go into the technicals. We're going to do a deep dive into 5 different reasons why Nexa stands out to the rest of them. So we're going to do a deep dive into the charts. We'll look at the technicals. I'm going to give you 5 fundamental reasons why Nexa stands out from similar projects. But first of all, we need to determine the risk factor. That's why we're on CoinMarketCap. So how risky is Nexa in comparison to other cryptocurrencies? It's a relatively new one. It's a low market cap. It's high risk, and it needs to be treated accordingly, guys. Recipe for disaster is chucking all your eggs into these high risk projects because it could end up going to zero. So make sure you use the appropriate risk management. And how would I do that on this? This is a high risk. I'd use a small amount of my percentage, and then as the portfolio grows, then I can reallocate into less risk. So as far as the market cap's concerned, we're sat 13.51 million market cap, and the rankings within the crypto space is 1,052. So it's got 24-hour trading volume at 322,953. That's pretty healthy for a small cap. And you'll see the circulating supply of Nexa. 2.25 trillion Nexa tokens in circulation. It's a proof of work consensus mechanism. So maximum supply is 21 trillion. So 21 trillion maximum supply, like I say, it's proof of work. So as the network grows, as people continue mining on the network, they'll start getting released. Right, okay, so what are the key 5 benefits to Nexa? You've got 5 key features here that I've written down. The unique mining algorithm, that's one. And Nexa employs a unique algorithm that diversifies the mining process and reduces the dominance of large mining pools. That's important. So microtransactions, it enables efficient and cost-effective microtransactions, facilitating a broader range of financial activities. And then the next one, which is so important, the advanced scaling solutions. And Nexa, with its innovative scaling solutions, it ensures smooth and efficient network performance as the network grows. We know with Ethereum, with Solana, with Bitcoin, as the network grows and people start adopting and Metcalfe's law starts going in the direction of up only, then you start getting congestion on the network. And when you get congestion on the network, you have problems like downtime, high transaction fees, high gas fees, then you have all sorts of problems. So this is an important one because as the Nexa network grows, then it scales accordingly and allows transactions to be done at higher volume. It's energy efficient. And we know it's proof of work. We know Bitcoin uses so much consumption of energy. Now, Nexa's got something built in differently, and it stands out for its energy efficiency, reducing the environmental footprint compared to traditional cryptocurrencies. And then enhanced security protocols. This means a lot to Nexa. They've employed lots and lots of security firms for this. So it incorporates robust security protocols, ensuring superior protection and trustworthiness within the crypto space. Right, okay, so that's the 5 key benefits. Let's jump into the charts. And this is one of those charts that's got plenty of zeros. So currently Nexa is trading at 0.00006833. So first and foremost, what I want to do is just build in a couple of levels here. There's a couple of levels that stand out to me. This is the first one. This is where it was launched, and that is sitting at, hard to tell with these, 7664. I'm going to stop saying the zeros. So just imagine the zeros are going to be there because we'll be there all day doing this. Right, okay, so there's the level. We've got a bear market low built in here, and you can see another support band here that's being held. So these are the important key levels, right? As far as the diagonal is concerned, let's stick on our diagonal trend line, and you can see we've had a 1, 2, 3 fake out. If anyone that doesn't know what a 1, 2, 3 fake out is, when you add these diagonal trends, what you'll tend to get, and you'll see it time and time again, no matter what asset you're looking at, no matter what chart you're looking at, you'll see this is a common occurrence where you've got one touch, you're coming back down, you've got another touch, you come back down. The 3 touch is quite often a fake out, and that's exactly what happened here. So you've got your 3rd touch, bam, you've cracked through, you've even closed through, and then you're being pulled back down. That's a 1, 2, 3 fake out, but it's coiling up nicely, and we've got to make a decision here. If price action pushes above here, cracks the trend, holds the 7815 as support, then you're likely to see a big turn to the upside and test this previous high here, which is sitting at 19370. As far as gains are concerned, from where price action is sitting to that previous high, talking 209%. So one thing that we've got here is we've got the moving averages bulked up and coiled up. So this is causing indecision here. So you've got the 200 here. you've got the 50, and you've got the 20. When they're coiling up like this is indecision. So what we want is we want to crack through the trend. And as we crack through the trend, we're going to crack through these moving averages. And then we want the moving averages to flip as support rather than resistance. We're underneath there at the moment. You want to flip as support, and then you can start making those higher highs and higher lows to the upside. So that's my projection on Nexa. We've got protections here underneath 5793. You can see how well this trend's held. 1, 2, 3. It's come back 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my main support at the moment. So if price action pulls back down, then you're likely to test the bear market low. So this is the downside, guys. This is the downside. This is the upside on Nexa. So if you did find it useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.